Sometimes you just need a little help from a friend or two.
Hey, this is Kitty Costello from Serena Group. I'm sitting here waiting for Vanessa from Encore Staging to come. I'm so excited to have her. Come on in. You too. I'm so glad to have you on this one.
Okay, I want to check it out. Let's go.
Come on in. Okay. This is a great professional townhouse style condo. Open space, lots of light. There's a nice little patio in the back so you can get fresh air. Beautiful kitchen. This property was actually done only 5 years ago, so everything in it is pretty new. Lovely laminate flooring. And we're gonna have a nice dining set right here. 2 full bathrooms, a nice room that's like a bedroom work studio space, and then a master bedroom. Tons of light, really tall ceilings, huge master bath with a giant master closet, which we all love. Little water closet, and a big soaking tub. Follow me down to the laundry room. Big storage closet, laundry room, storage room. This has tons of storage. So we're gonna make this real pretty.
Awesome.
Thanks, Vanessa.
I can't wait.
Okay.
Horizontal or vertically? Is there a rule? Am I in?
There is really no rule. It's about
what looks good. It's about being creative, and it's about what balances. So, I mean,
too big.
I mean, you see this, you can just play either way, and even if you put 2 next to each other, horizontally and vertically, it still looks fine. Things go a little bit crazy on staging day here. This is a nice wall art option. Who's this creature right here? I don't know.
It's my best accessory.
Okay.
You are my best accessory.
Here's our designer, the other designer. What's the other designer doing?
Break, maybe.
So these are the kids who are helping me stage today. They're working really hard designing. You want to stage? Come on, let's go stage with us. So you're done?
No, this thing isn't really coming out.
I've been through heartaches, I've been to heaven. I've done my best and my worst, learned my lessons. No matter how hard my life would treat me, I'd always get right back up, never worry. Cause I got a million reasons to keep holding on. Yeah, I got all that it takes to win and overcome. What I got is just a feeling, but it's
Exactly, good job. I like the choice, great choice, Leia.
I think this is a good one because most of this is more like simple. We need something to like fill it up and make it more colorful, I think. And make it like more fun. What do you think?
I like it.
they talk got me lows are what makes you feel so high. No matter how far my mind would wander, I'd always dare it.
Faces are not good. Hey, I just stage myself.
Hey, watch out.
I
Don't step
don't
back.
need y'all help.
Toothless? You don't need your sister's help. Okay, be careful, okay?
Even farther, 'cause I got a million reasons to keep holding on. Yeah, I got all
Yeah,
that
that
it
is good
takes
there,
to
Lily.
win and overcome. What I got is just a feeling, but it's so strong. It goes on.
All right, professional stager Vanessa, what do you think of her?
I think it's okay. The only problem is you got these two items being too similar in height. I think if you remove one of them, it would be fine. Yeah, remove the heavier piece. Exactly.
What do you think?
That is a lot better. That's a lot better.
The reason why I like it is because there's like two touches of gold, so like, you know, it can work together. Gold right here, gold up there. What do you think of mine? Because I added a greenery, because I don't really see so greenery around. I don't really see any greenery around this area. So I decided to add some greenery.
Stronger every beat. I never just believe in what I see. 'Cause I can feel the energy. I can feel it. I feel it. Oh. 'Cause I can feel the energy.
Okay, where's this piece going?
Going in the bathroom.
Okay, let's go.
I wasted all my time, I wasted all my nights, I wasted it on.
Excellent. I like the choice. So what's the other wall art that goes with it?
The other wall art is that feather one right there.
Okay, got it. Okay, I like the combination. I like the combination.
Ups and downs.
How are you gonna drape it?
Wait, how do you drape?
You open up the towel completely. Yes, and grab it from the center. Kind of like where your right hand is.
Right here?
Center right here. Yep, and then you hook it over. Why don't you try this? Step on this.
Oh, I didn't even know it was happening that. Okay, let's see. Hold. Good.
What's showing?
The tag.
Flip it the other way and tuck it underneath. There you go. And how about the other corner? Fantastic.
Looks good enough.
Now we want to put the curtain back where you found it. And scoot things over.
Never left my side once. Yeah, you stuck around. Who knew it was you?
I need an accent pillow. Furry. Okay, all of a sudden the pillow magically appears. Okay. Okay, now be quiet. You made it in, okay? Alright, that's good. Okay, so we are ready to...
We really want to put the pillow on the chair.
Okay, go put the pillow on the chair.
Yay!
And so this part, I think we are done and ready for Kitty, the agent realtor for this property. It was just a blank canvas and everything was pretty much ready for us. I had
See
her...
all your dreams.
Yeah. I suggested some... Okay, that's it. Bye. Turn it on.